Hello, welcome to this video. In this video, we will see how to record a shortcut key by using simple basic macro. Macro is a tab recording. It will record all the action on the sheet. So, in this video, I would like to add a shortcut key that I want to create is Ctrl Shift R. This is because in this table, I have to repeat the same step for every cell to put symbol RM. By adding this shortcut key, I can save my time. So, first we need to click on the top left button in Excel. We choose Option, click on Customize Ribbon, tick on Developer, and then OK. Now we can see that the developer is on the top of the tab. Now we click on the developer, use relative reference and record macro. For macro name, I will put add symbol RM. The shortcut key I choose is Ctrl Shift R, and the macro will store in this workbook, and description I didn't put. Now we click on Home, More Accounting Format, and then find RM. Click OK. After done this step, we go back to developer, stop recording. There are two ways to insert RM. First step, we click on the cell and then click macro, run. The second step is we direct use Ctrl Shift R. So this is the way to create a shortcut key. Thank you for watching this video.